was that?
7 minutes. That's crazy, man. How do you do it?
I don't know. I just like being in water. It's one place I can think.
There are 12 Olympian gods. The big three are the brothers Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. The children of these gods were half human, half gods.
Hey, Mom. I thought this school was supposed to make things better.
Someday it'll all make sense.
Percy Dzekson, we need to talk.
Miss Dodds? Whoa!
I found him.
Who found me?
We've been expecting you.
What's going on?
The gods are real. You're half mortal, half god.
My father's Poseidon.
God of the seas.
Your blood is special.
This February,
Why am I here?
Zeus's bolt is the most powerful weapon ever created.
it's been stolen.
Everyone thinks you're the lightning thief.
I didn't steal it.
Lines will be drawn,
If it's not returned by the summer solstice, there will be a war.
and those with powers
All demigods have inherited skills.
must stand and fight.
We'll find the bolt.
There's nowhere safe on heaven and earth for him now. Take this to defend yourself. It's a powerful weapon.
This is a pen.
Only use it in times of severe distress.
This is a pen.
Click it!
Time has run out.
Maybe you're no son of Poseidon.
Percy Dzekson and the Lightning Thief.
Come on.